To add a folder in your Schoology course, begin in the course and you want to make sure that you're on Materials. Go to the Add Materials menu, click the drop down, and choose the top choice, Add Folder. This will bring up a box where you can include the title of your folder. So maybe it's Intro Materials. You can choose a color for your folder. If you wish to add further descriptions, you may. If you wish to have a date when it will appear and close, you can do that as well. And you can keep your folder published, or you can unpublish it and have it open on a different date. That's really all you need to do. Title is the only required piece, and then you'll go ahead and create your folder. It will appear here. You can click this drop-down triangle to open the folder and add more materials.